App Creator, Settings, the in-app messages function. All right, so if we go into our Settings tab here and we click on the messages down here, we come to this screen. So simply put, what this allows you to do is interact with other developers as you guys work on the same app. So for example, if this app has 3 different developers on it, and I'm working on it, let's say I made a change to the layout. So I can come here, I put I change the layout. Okay, I put from user, or let's put developer one. Okay, if I want to attach a file, screenshot, whatever, I can do that here. I want to make it pretty, that's what we have this here for. So once we do that, we just press send, and it's going to give us a green light. It's going to show up right here at the bottom with a timestamp on it. Okay, so what happens is each time we work on this, somebody will come here, put another message, and we can see what happened last time. This is for multiple users. So you may or may not use this, but this is a cool way to interact if you need to. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next tutorial.